How to connect domain with Wed2c. So first, you just have to simply download the application because you cannot just simply create an account on website. It will take you to a QR code which you need to scan in order for you to create an account here in Wed2c. So this is what it looks like. You just have to simply create using Google account or add your email address and password. Now what you're going to do is you have to go to store, and basically you have to click the store icon at the top right corner, but make sure that you have added or you have entered all details that are needed here on Wed2c account. Now here what you're going to do is you have to read the following, click continue, and here you can add your store name. So for example, the store name that I have is Andy Shop 101. Now this application will tell you if the store is available, store name is available or not. So for example, this one right here, and then below you're going to paste or enter your store URL if you have, or if you don't have, then basically you could just simply create one here and Wed2c will tell you if it's available or not. So for example, this is a my store URL, okay, and then proceed. So here what you're going to do is you have to add your store logo, you have to add more information about your store, and you can also add your domain. So how are you going to do that? Just click this gear icon at the top right corner. It will take you to your store settings on Wed2c. Here you can add your store name, store logo, and then if you scroll down here you will see this private domain. So what you're going to do next is you have to enter the domain name you want to connect. If you don't have a domain yet, then you can just simply purchase one through a registrar like GoDaddy and Namecheap. After that, you can now log into the account where you purchased the domain. Go to the DNS management section of your domain, add or modify the DNS records based on instruction provided by Wed2c. So actually, once you have added everything here, like your private domain, you can paste it. You can toggle on the option below or not. Everything is up to you. The next step is you just have to simply follow everything here in order for you to connect your domain here on your Wed2c. For example, you need a record. Point your domain to the IP address given by Wed2c, and then set the CNAME to point your subdomain like www to your Wed2c address. Make sure the values provided by Wed2c match what you see or what you set in your registrar's DNS settings. After that, verify domain, set domain as primary. Once everything is set, your domain should be connected to your Wed2c store or website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.